안녕하세요. This is Miss Park from Parts K class. Welcome to my class. So today's topic is the fun facts of Korea. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Here is my lesson summary. The fun facts of Korea. The first section is the geography. For example, what is the official name, capital city, major cities and land areas, and what are the neighboring countries. Second section is a symbol of Korea, like national flag, national anthem, flower, or animals. Third section is about Korean people, like like South Korea populations, official language, what kind of religion there are, traditional clothing, or staple dishes. We're gonna look into it. Last section is economy of Korea, the currency, the top exports or imports, and what are some famous companies. Okay, the first section is geography of Korea. Here's some maps. The Korea look like this. Of course, the red section is the North Korea, and then the bottom part is the South Korea. Yeah, it has a small Jeju Island underneath. Um, Let's take a look. The official name of Korea is called 대한민국. 대한민국. FIFA World Cup is going right now. Probably the Korean people will chanting like this, 대한민국, ba-bam, ba-bam, ba. All right, 대한민국. I want you to remember this. And then the short version of 대한민국 is called 한국. Just 한국. What about the capital city? Yeah, you probably heard of it. It's called Seoul. Seoul. Usually most people just call Seoul. Seoul, like a soul, right? But Korean people is called Seoul. Seoul. You see the difference? Yes. What about other major cities? Busan, Incheon, Daegu, Daejeon, Gwangju, and so on. Um, Busan city is the second largest city in Korea. What about the land? Do you think Korea has a big land? No. It has only 38,023 square miles foot. It's similar in size to the state of Kentucky or Indiana. But I believe it's a super strong country. What are some neighboring countries? There are three countries, Japan, underneath, China, here, and then Russia in the north. All right. What about symbols of Korea? National flag. It looks like this. Take a look. What kind of, yes, color do you see? Red, blue, white, and black, right? It's called 태극기. 태극기. National flag is called 태극기. Each symbol has a meaning. So the top left represents sky, top right, water. Bottom left is a fire, and the bottom right represents earth. What about in the middle? Is it familiar to you? Yes, it represents yin and yang. What about the national animal? National animal of Korea is Siberian Tiger. 70% of land is made with mountains, and they used to have many Siberian tigers in Korea. National flower we call 무궁화, 무궁화, which is a hibiscus flower. It looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? National anthem is called 애국가, 애국가. Um, During the World Cup game, you probably hear the national anthem like 애국가, like 동해물과 백두산이 마르고 닳도록, blah, blah, blah. Yes. What about people of Korea? Population of Korea, South Korea. So based on research in 2026, South Korea has 51.6 million people, and then North Korea has 26.6 million people. Official language of Korea, what is it? Yes, 한국어, 한국어. Like this. 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Do you know what just I said? Yes, hello. Nice to meet you. Traditional clothing. We call it 한복. 한복. Please remember, we call it what? Yes, 한복. These two girls on the left are wearing right now 한복. What are some staple dishes? The famous side dish. Yes, kimchi. Kimchi. Made with cabbage, spicy peppers, right? It's a fermented side dish. Which is really, I really enjoy the kimchi a lot. I hope you too. I hope you try it too. And bulgogi, and then bibimbap on the left side. Last section is economy of Korea. The currency. Currency is called won. America currency is dollar, right? The Korean currency is called won. $1 is equivalent to right now it's a 1,500 won. What about the top exports? Yes, the Korean exports integrated circuits, which is the memory chips. What about other one? Yes, cars like a Kia, Hyundai cars, right? And electronic goods like a Samsung phone, refined petroleum as well. What they imported most? Yes, oil. They don't produce, the Korea doesn't produce oil, so they have to mostly import it from outside. Also imports gas, like cars, crude petroleum as well. What about some famous companies of Korea? Yeah, you probably heard of it. Yes, Samsung, Hyundai, Kia, LG, or SK. You probably heard of it, right? Samsung is well known for, yes, phone, Samsung phone. Hyundai, Kia is well known for cars. LG is well known for like refrigerator, like washing machines, dryer set, yeah, home appliances. All right, so we learned about the fun facts of Korea. So this is the quiz time. Number one, what is the official name of Korea? Number two, what is Korea's national animal? Number three, what is Korean traditional clothes called? Number four, what are the famous companies in Korea? You guys remember? The answers will be down below. Alrighty, thank you for watching. We just learned about the fun facts of Korea. Please don't forget to like and follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you next time.